Hello everyone. Here are 3 quick tips to give constructive feedback to anyone. Number 1 is use the right tone while giving feedback. Don't use a sarcastic or don't use an accusatory tone. Try to give it in an encouraging and positive tone so that the other person feels encouraged to improve. Number 2, use positive vocabulary. Don't use words like you went wrong. That was not what was expected out of you. Use more encouraging vocabulary like you tried your level best. You can get it better next time. Third, tell the other person how to improve upon. Don't just tell that they have to improve, show them how to improve. Demonstrate and show. This way the person will have clarity of how to go about. So do try these 3 techniques. Thank you so much everyone.